Welcome back to Coins ZF, the channel where hidden money meets real history. Before we begin today's amazing story, make sure you subscribe to Coins ZF and turn on the bell so you never miss another valuable coin discovery. Today we are talking about one of South Africa's most interesting and respected coins, the South Africa 5 Rand coin. At first glance, many people think it is just an ordinary piece of money. But collectors around the world know that some 5 Rand coins carry strong value, rich history, and serious demand. This coin represents the pride of South Africa. On one side, you often see the powerful springbok, a symbol of speed, strength, and national identity. The design is bold, clean, and instantly recognizable. The other side usually carries the country's coat of arms or a portrait used during that specific year of minting, depending on the edition. What makes the South Africa 5 Rand coin special is not just its design, but the story behind it. South Africa has a long history of mining precious metals like gold and silver, and many of their coins were produced during important economic and political moments. Some 5 Rand coins were minted in limited quantities, while others were made using special metal compositions or had small errors during production. These tiny differences can turn a simple coin into a collector's treasure. Many older collectors especially appreciate this coin because it connects them to a time when money was built to last. The weight, the feel, and the craftsmanship of the 5 Rand coin are far stronger than modern lightweight coins. Holding it in your hand feels like holding history. Over the years, collectors have searched through old drawers, wallets, and inherited collections and discovered rare variations of this coin. Some versions have sharper details, different mint marks, or special finishes that increase their value. Coins that are kept in excellent condition with clear images, no heavy scratches, and original shine are always worth more. Another reason the South Africa 5 Rand coin attract collectors is its link to South Africa's precious metal industry. Some editions were tied to silver or commemorative releases, which pushed demand even higher. As fewer high-quality coins remain in circulation, prices continue to rise slowly but steadily. Older men who grew up using or seeing these coins often feel a strong emotional connection to them. That nostalgia combined with real market demand makes the 5 Rand coin a favorite among serious collectors. Some people have even sold rare versions at auctions for impressive prices. While not every 5 Rand coin is rare, the right year, condition, and variation can make a huge difference that if you own one of these coins, it's important not to clean it aggressively. Many people damage their coins by polishing them, which actually reduces value. Collectors prefer natural aging and original surfaces. Keeping your coin in a soft case or safe place protects it from scratches and moisture. Over time, as interest in historical coins grows, well-preserved examples become harder to find. The global coin collecting community is growing every year. More people are realizing that coins are not just old money, they are investments, history pieces, and sometimes even life-changing discoveries. The South Africa 5 Rand coin stands as a strong example of how everyday money can turn into something special. People who once spent these coins on groceries now search for them in collections, hoping to find a rare one that if you have old coins at home, especially from South Africa, it's always worth checking their year, condition, and design carefully. Many hidden treasures are still waiting to be found. And now, the exciting part you've been waiting for. Some rare and high-demand versions of the South Africa 5 Rand coin have reached values around $120.6. Yes, this simple-looking coin can be worth an incredible amount in the collector world. Thank you for watching Coins ZF. Stay tuned for more powerful coin stories and hidden money secrets coming soon.